Hi friends, my name is Jasmine and I'm an illustrator. I have an ongoing sci-fi webcomic called Spacewarriors over on Instagram, and today I'm going to draw a special commission that I offer on its support page on Ko-fi. The supporter requested that I draw the astronaut character in part 1, and that is what I'm going to draw today. To sketch out the pose for this astronaut, I'm going to use a free app called Magic Pose that I highly recommend for creating a quick character drawing reference. This astronaut's pose in particular was going to be tricky because they needed to express a sense of forward movement as they would be pushing through a storm. I created a new pose to refer back to just as a general guide. With the drawing complete, I will be sending this off to its new owner. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more art content. Thanks so much for watching!